Number 1. Panasonic X1500. If your sole purpose is to just shoot high-quality videos for your YouTube channel or any other platform, then the Panasonic X1500 is like a dream come true for you. While it won't make you so famous overnight like those viral videos MR beasts do, but it can certainly make your videos stand out from the rest. The Panasonic X1500 is packed with professional features like manual rings, ND filters, and 24-bit high-resolution linear PCM audio recording that allows you to have full control over your shooting. These features allow you to create videos that are not only visually stunning, but also have great audio quality. But it's not just the pro features that make this amazing camera stand out, it's also its ability to shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second. It comes with a wide-angle Leica Dicomar lens that has a 24x optical zoom with a 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilization, ensuring steady footage even when you're on the move. If we talk about the design, this camcorder is made to be compact and light. It also has a heat-dispersing design that allows you to shoot for longer periods without worrying about overheating. And if you're someone who likes to live stream, then this camera has got you covered with its built-in Wi-Fi feature. Plus, with its electrostatic touch panel and tiltable viewfinder, you can easily frame your shots and get the perfect composition, making your videos look professional and polished.